Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets for Friday the 20th of June. Moving on to sterling dollar now for cable, and it gave me the impression, cable, that there was it needed a bit of a fundamental announcement or a bit of news flow to drive that chart above $1.70, and it seemed to be what we've got here. You had that Fed announcement on Wednesday, and that significantly has weakened the dollar and pushed cable to record highs, and it's now broken out above that 2009 high of $1.7042, and it's reached $1.7062. And just very quickly, just to give you a gauge, I'll just zoom out here, and what we've seen is that we're now at levels not seen since this big crash of cable in 2008. So that would suggest that there's not a significant amount of resistance on the upside until you get probably to mid 170s levels, 175 sort of area. I think that could start to be where maybe cable could come towards. But I think that this is a key breakout that we're seeing at the moment. Has been a historic resistance for, as I said, for 5-6 years now on cable. So very strong breakout there that we've seen. But what you would say also is that if I zoom back in here, you've got this RSI, near-term RSI up at 69 spot 8, so almost 70, but that rally high that was on in early May, got to 73 before you saw any real correction. So you could see a bit of a consolidation at this sort of level, but certainly there is upside potential for further gains. But just beginning to get a little bit stretched on the upside in terms of momentum, and we'll see how that goes. But certainly you would be saying that this breakout resistance at $1.70 now becomes initial support, and that's where we're basing it on. Also, you've got this nice, very positive, I think, support at 169.20. 169.20 was tested on a couple of occasions in the last week or so, and it seems to have held very positively. So that becomes a fairly strong, I think, near-term support that you could start to think about maybe buying into dips here. But certainly this cable chart once again has, with this breakout to the upside, looks very strong, albeit a little bit stretched on the near-term basis. Here it is on the hourly chart. Very strong momentum. As I said, you've got this breakout above from this range here, 69.20 on the downside, up towards 70 big figure. Pretty much is the resistance now turned into support. So use that as I think your initial gauge there, but certainly it looks fairly positive on this intraday chart, as indeed it does on the daily chart. So that's my outlook on cable today. I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.